So you will mix them. The first time you can play after. Second one. Guys, again to this our channel Joel Ngovi Solaro, and today I need you to learn this 7. It's absolutely for beginners. I know it will really help you. It will help you. It will help you. How I found this one? I needed to teach or to play something that is between beginners and those who are growing, and those who are from level zero. So let us see it. That's the story of this one. So just play it. It will help you, and exercise it. You have to exercise it, and then do not forget to do it with the metronome. Thank you. You can sit and say, oh, it's very, very difficult, very hard. No, very easy, simple. So let us go slowly. I'm in D. Let us go. So I'm here in D, as you can see. D. So I'm playing like this. 1 4 5 4. This is for beginner. 1 4 5 4. That's the progression. 1 4. This is 5. So you can play this or this. So I'm playing. You will go 4 after that. This is 4. I'm using these hands also. And then you are sliding. Direct. So and then this is 5. Right? returning. Sorry. So okay, here you can play. Oh, but this is very rich. So instead of playing you see, very good. So you can also play beginner, very beginner. Let me show it to you slowly. So you will mix them. The first time you can play after. Second. So thank you, that was it. I hope it will really help you. So goodbye and God bless you. Do not forget to like the video.